Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're looking at a vintage product catalog from a company called Allied Armament Firearms Manufacturing. And just continue to read the cover. They have Browning machine guns in semi-automatic caliber .30, .50, HB, M1919, A4, A6, M37, FN30, FN50, M2HB, M3AC, and accessories. United States, Allied Armament Printing Office, Scappoose, Oregon. Disclaimer on the back. Availability and prices subject to change without notice. Now, my disclaimer is I currently cannot say whether or not this company has an active website as detailed later in this document, so be warned. That being said, let's take a look. Starts with our opening statement from the president, company. We do have a nice little index. It's page 3. So here's some warranty info. And we already start off right here. 1919 A4. The prices back then. Contact info. Example 1919 A6. Their description of it. Again, this is a vintage document, so prices are probably no longer valid in the current day and age. These are just for your reference only. So that's 1928 water cooled. And then M37. Their info on it. And their options that were available at the time. There's FN30, another nice piece. And these are historical prices for your reference only. And M3AC, very nice. M2/3 HB. Some smaller stuff. PPSH 41. Good old days of pricing. And we got some accessories. There's barrels. Oh, those prices. Amazing. So again, be warned, the website may not lead you to the company location, so just beware. There's a crank fire mechanism. It shows you what they look like. Got some spade grips, rails you can put on, shrouds, some stocks and bipods. Pretty cool. Oh, it's commando cool. There you go. Look at that. Aircraft mount. Shrouds, tripods, anti-aircraft sights. Different types of triggers. Ooh, that's a decent price for that. Ooh. Look at that. Pretty cool. We got some builder parts, side plates, receiver halves, other parts, parts, more parts, pintle mounts, sets. Oh my. So do your own research. You might be able to locate this company. This has been a book review, media review of Allied Armament Firearms Manufacturing. This is a vintage catalog, so prices are historical. Contact information in there may or may not be valid. Feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos of more specific items, and curios for the curious, more artsy type objects. And feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.